Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to activate the alarm ensures you wake up on time for important appointments, meetings, or tasks. It helps you establish a consistent sleep schedule and ensures you don't oversleep, ultimately contributing to better time management and productivity. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the app drawer on your device. Well, so here select Clock app and then enter to the alarm section. Okay, after that, click plus icon to add new alarm. So here you can set the time. After that, set the repetition of your alarm. Okay, next, set the alarm sound and then you can add the label of your alarm here. After that, set the snooze duration time. So lastly, you have to choose whether to activate vibrate or not of your incoming alarm. After finishing, and then click save. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate the alarm on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.